Hey everyone, this is Mahima, and in this video we are going to talk about the college life. So without a further ado, let's start this video. So hey, this is Mahima, and I'll be talking about like what college is doing for your life, like what college really helping you or not. So let's start. So if you're a college student, I would say apart from the academic life which you're really studying like on particular field that you have chosen, so apart from learning the fundamentals of your chosen field like computer science or anything, you have there is a lot of things that you must learn. I would say our college will not teach us about the financial skills, about the communication skills. These are just missing in our education system. So apart from these academic life, you have to do something for yourself which will help you in the near future to just cracking a good job or just cracking a good opportunity in the near future. So the first one that I will recommend is to learn new skills. So learn new skills. By learning new skill, like learning new skill could be like web designing, like computer programming, like graphic designing, animation, video editing, and all these things. These are the skills which will help you to learn a lot. When you, so start exploring the things which will which resonates with you. Like it could be graphic designing. If you like graphic designing, just start exploring the courses on the Google or on the YouTube and start to learn about that. And after learning basics of it, you can just monetize that skill on YouTube, or you can teach to other students. So why this idea I want to tell that first start learning skills. When you have learned the skills, just try to monetize it. And second is learn financial skills. Financial skill is which is our education system will not teach us like financial skills which is how to just earn money, how to manage money, like how to invest money, and just all these things like how to earn money. So if you explore these things, then you will learn a lot in the college years, because a lot of us don't do this in our college. So and third skill I will recommend is to just start working on your communication skills by networking, by doing internships, by doing part-time jobs, by just attending conferences, just hosting events. So just network with people, like-minded people like you, like if you want to just do the startup, like find like-minded people. Don't stay with people who don't want to do anything, who are not interested in anything. So these are the three skills which is highly recommend to everyone, every college going student. So I'm just summarizing the 3 points. Number one is to work on new skills, and second is learn financial skill, third is to learn communication skills. So these are just very important skills which college, I think, our education system will not gonna teach you. As you know, apart from our chosen field, we just don't learn anything. So it would be really good if you start learning, exploring these things. I think then you'll enjoy a lot. And so this is Mahima Jha, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And I make videos related to career, education, psychology, self-development. So if you like my videos, please make sure subscribing. So this is Mahima Jha. Happy learning. Thank you.